Hello and welcome back, and in this video we'll be doing a small introduction to Python operators. So operators are nothing but arithmetic operators that we use in everyday life. For example, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, assignment operators, and some other operators that are unique to Python, right? So we will be looking at all those operators. So I've created this new file in VS Code, right? So we'll start with a very simple operation, that is, for example, we have two variables, that is a, which is equal to 10, right? So we have b, which is equal to 5, or let's say 7. A is 7, b is 5. Now what we are going to do is we are going to have a variable called c that contains the sum of a and b, right? So how do we find the sum of two numbers? We add them, right? So a plus b would be our value for c, right? So this seems like a very simple program to find the sum of two variables that we have given the value for, right? So now we need to understand what each one are. So for example, a is a variable with a value of 7 and b is another variable with a value of 5. Now c is another variable but with the value of sum of a and b, right? In this statement, a and b are called operands, right? So I will write that a comma b are operands, right? And the operation that we are performing is addition, right? So addition or the plus symbol is the operation, right? So we need to make sure that we are clear on the terminologies, right? So a and b are operands and the plus is the operation that we are performing, and we are assigning this value to c, right? So equal to here as well as here is called an assignment operator. Now assignment operator is nothing but the operation that we are doing by assigning a value to a variable. So in a we are assigning the value as 7, right? So this equal to will be our assignment operator, and for b we are assigning the value as 5, so this would be our assignment operator, right? So we will write that as well. So equal to is an assignment operator, and this is pretty obvious but we'll still write it. The plus is the addition operator, right? So we'll explore other operators as well. Now c is a plus b, right? So I will print c here, print c. So what should be the answer that I'll be getting is 7 plus 5, that is 12. We'll check that. Yes, I'm getting 12. So next operation would be subtraction. So c will be equal to a minus b, right? Pretty simple and straightforward. Minus is this symbol is the subtraction or operation, and this symbol can be called as hyphen or minus or however you feel like, right? So this is the subtraction, and I'll print c again. Let's see what the value is. So yeah, let's guess it before we see it. 7 minus 5 is 2, right? So I should be getting 2, and I should be getting 12 as well. Yeah, 12 and 2. Very good. So the next thing we'll be doing is the multiplication operation, right? So multiplication operation is the star that you see in above the number 8 in the number in on your keyboard. Yeah, so shift and 8 will give us the asterisk, so this symbol is called the asterisk, and this is used for multiplication, right? So c is equal to a into b. I'll print c, right? So what will be the value? 7 5s are 35. So I will close this. Yeah, we have 35. And the next thing I'll be doing is the division, right? So c is equal to a divided by b, right? So we have seen in previous videos that a divided by b and a double divided by b will give different answers, right? So we'll check that now. So 12 to 35 and 1.4, yes. And now I will do c is equal to a double divided by b. So that is an integer division, and we'll see what the answer is. I'll clear the output. I will run the program. And yes, I'm getting the integer part of 1.4. So 1.4 when converted to an integer will give us 1, right? So this is the basic operators, and yes, one more operator is there, which is the exponential operator. So a is equal to, c is equal to a double star b, right? So a double star b is nothing but the exponent operator, and we'll see the answer first. So a double star b would be a power b, raised to the power of b. So a is what, 7 raised to the power of 5. So that should give us a big number that is pretty noticeable, right? So we will run this, and yes, we have 12. The addition, the subtraction, the multiplication, the division, the integer division, and the exponent, right? 16,807 is 7 raised to the power of 5. Yes, so we have our basic operations, well, right? So start using these operations in a, let's say, a mathematical equation, to understand how they work. So thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.